Hi guys, I am back with another video. This is video 2 in my little mini series. As the first video was a walkthrough of my 3 Our Generation OG dolls that I have, and this here is going to be a walkthrough of the OG Our Generation dolls on the go food truck. Now there are 2 different kind of food trucks. There is this food truck, and then we have the on the go grill food truck deluxe. The difference between the 2 food trucks is $10. So this one retail price is $109.99, and this is sold in stores at Target. I haven't seen it at Walmart, but you can definitely get it on Target.com as well, and OurGeneration.com as well. So as you can see, this thing is massive. It's big. It's huge. It's made to be played with, but as a collector, I just thought it was really cute, and it just sits on top of a stand I have here in my office, so I could just look at it and just get joy from it. This is a adult channel, but like I said, some of my videos are going to be for kids as well, but this is an adult channel where we just talk about the ins and outs of the toys, how my impressions of it, and things like that. Please like and subscribe so you won't miss another video, and we're just going to get right on into it, shall we? So the color of this food truck is a coral color. It is one of the colors for OG Our Generation. I think it's a really cute. Like I said, it is a nice size truck. It is a interactive truck. The truck does move. Let me move one of the accessories out the way for you guys. So as you can see, the truck does move. It can go forwards and backwards. I am just going to zoom in, but before I zoom in, I was going to zoom in to show you guys some of the insides. But before I do, I just want to just pull up and show you that the top part here closes like this, but it does lift up to reveal a menu board, and it is painted with chalkboard paint. This comes with a little stick of chalk, so you can actually write on it what your menu is going to be for the day, or your kids can write it for what their menu for the day is going to be. Also, there is another chalkboard paint sign down here, so they can write whatever the name of their food truck is if they want, right down here. It just comes with a regular stick of chalk, not a chalk pencil. If you're gonna let your kids write on this, I would get probably a chalk pencil instead of a piece of chalk, so it doesn't your child gets chalk all over the place. That is my only critique about that, but I think it's really cute that they have, you know, chalk in 2 different places so they can write and use their imagination. Now let's zoom in a little bit more. So you can see this is the inside of the truck. Let me back it up, bring it at an angle so you guys can see what the inside looks like. There is a steering wheel. It does turn. If you turn it, it will make these signal lights on the front, the left, and the right turn depending on which way you turn it. There are some buttons in here as well, and there is a cute little glove box, which I think is absolutely adorable. As you can see, this is what the inside looks like. The inside is all hard body plastic and screws, so nothing is really going to come apart in here. This is the seat. The seat can be turned, so if your doll is not sitting there, it also comes out. It is removable, so if your doll is not sitting there, you can have access to the stove. Let's go around and let's show you the front. That is what the front of it looks like. These are the signals I was telling you guys about here. The windshield wipers, they move as well. It's really cute. And then they have the little mirrors on each side. You're gonna see bits and pieces of my office because, like I said, this thing is huge. So it's bigger than my backdrop and my recording setup. So just please excuse that. Here are some of the accessories up top real quick so I can get rid of these so we can go on the inside. So as you guys can see, it is just a little food container. It's paperboard and it has little food inside. And then we have 4 drinks up top. This looks like some type of orange clear drink. Not too sure, but it's cute. This one is exactly the same type of drink that came with Macy, our OG fire truck food truck girl that I did walk through in the previous video. So now you have, if you get both of them, now you have 2 of those. This one looks like a lemon kind of sort of drink, and there's little lemons in there. The straws are not removable out of this one, but the tops are. But the straws are removable out of this one, as well as the tops. And in here is another one. It looks like some type of mint or green tea type of smoothie. It's really cute. So we'll move all of that stuff to the side. And then let's take a look around to the back. As you can see here, the little license plate says OG Girl. If you push one of the other interactive features, let me see if I can get it. You guys see, there you go. So if you push the brake in the car, the brake light will light up. You also can open this, and this opens up as well. So your dogs can stand in the back of that and sell out. I have lights. My lights are strung up a specific way, so it won't open all the way. So as you can see, the lights that come with the kit are right there, so it's not going to open all the way for that. Let me just try to close it real quick. There you go. There's also a table that comes with this, and I'm just getting it right now so you guys can see, and it just locks in the back of this slot here. And then it's an extra play surface for the dogs to stand, to eat, all of that stuff. So we're just going to take that out, and it folds down flat, and it fits in the body of the food truck itself. So let's go down in. As you can see, this is the top part. So we have a grill, we have 2 aisles, we have a prep station, we have a sink. The faucet does turn. It's really cute. This also comes out as well. I thought that was adorable. And then we have the sink down here, and then we have a little food station prep over here. It's adorable. And then, like I said, I strung my lights up like this, but you guys don't have to do that. I just put them there. If you want to put them somewhere else, you just need a little bit of tape, and they do light up, so it is very interactive. And you just push the button again, and they go off. You have a little shelf up here. You have your napkin dispenser. You have a little order taking pad and another little pen that I placed up there. If you press this button, the sound like the car is moving, and you press the button again, and then they come with lots of little cute little pieces. I'm trying to put them back. So you get more little paperboard containers in 2 different sizes. You get a cutting board and knife, you get salt and pepper, you get mayo, mustard, tomato, a little olive oil container, a frying pan with the top. You also get some little beef patties to make burgers. You get tongs, you get a pan, a little utensil to flip with, you get little kebabs to grill. And the other great part about this is, if you turn these, it's like it's frying, like this is lighting up, and that's the timer for the oven. It has frying sounds and boiling sounds, so I think that is absolutely adorable. This does take some AA batteries, which as you can see is right down there, so it's easy access to get to. The oven does open, but the seat's in the way, so that's what I mean by you have to take the seat out. The drawer on the bottom does open, and I've used it to store some more food. So you get some buns, some flat tortilla pieces, and some more burgers, so I just kept them in there. You get some slots down here for more food, and then let's see if I can try to go in some more for you guys. There is a little refrigerator right here, and opens and this is where you can store all of the drinks, or if you get more food, you can put it right there. I just have one of my little Shopkins hot dog containers in here just to show you. Let me see if I can get it out. A little Shopkins Hebrew National hot dog container. So I just put that in there, and it closes right on up. You have prep for this side, and you have lettuce here, you have tomatoes here, and you have pickles here. You have some salsa, some sour cream, all that good stuff for your food truck. So that is just about everything in this food truck. So once again, it is a very, very cute food truck. For the price, I think the price could be a little cheaper, something a little bit more economical for parents who like to get their kids things like this. For a collector, it's not a bad price. I don't think it's a bad price. If I had to pick my choice, I probably would have gotten the deluxe version of this instead of this version, but I didn't know they don't sell the deluxe version in the store. They just sell this version in the store, so I picked up this. But for a $10 difference, I probably would have picked up the deluxe for the extra accessories. Oh, and one other thing, this folds down. So when it's playtime is over, this folds down, the top comes down, locks in place, and then you could just put it away, or like I do, I just have it displayed on one of my shelves here in my office. So like I said, it has lots of interactive elements, which I'm assuming that's why the price point is what it is. Other than that, I absolutely like it. It is definitely adorable. So like, you know, your kid isn't gonna break it within like the first hour of playing with this thing, because who would want that? I like the wheels. It's very nice. It does fit the dog, because I did put one of my dolls in her to see if it would fit. So I really like the fact that they included some sounds in here of what you would hear in a food truck along with food. The prep station here is exactly what you would see in a real food truck, if you ever gotten food from a food truck before. So I actually like the detailed work that went into this. So for me, this is a great option for, like I said, for playtime or just for to display. They do also have an ice cream truck, which I find absolutely adorable. It's in like a mint blue color a little bit. It's like between mint blue and mint green. I love it. I'm debating on whether to get it or not, but if I do get it, you guys know I will show you guys what it looks like. So here is episode 2 of my little mini series, and I hope you enjoy it and come back for episode 3. Until then, bye bye.